How to change the front indicator bulb on a Volkswagen Golf. Now we're going to use this side of the car because it's a bit more difficult. It has this panel here, and also I removed the battery. You don't need to do that, just making it easier to film. So remove these two screws. Just lift this panel upwards. So now we can see the back of the light. So the bulbs are hidden behind this panel here. So in the back of the light, just push that clip back. That releases this panel here, and that just lifts out. And it just has a tab, as you can see on the edge. So these tabs here just fit in the corner down there. Now we can see the very edge, or the backs of the bulb. So from the top of the light, we can see indicators at the top and the middle of the light unit. So we just need to go across and find the corresponding one. So right there is this top one here at the top. It's white, so all you do is turn it counterclockwise to release it. That's it released. So get your bulb. So the old bulb, how to remove it is just push in and counterclockwise. You can see it's a bayonet bulb. Get your new bulb, put it in, push in and clockwise to lock it in. Now all you need to do is put everything back together, bulb in and the back on and that panel in. Now how to get this panel in, just push it straight down and you're done.